Sliding through the snow in our rusty Chevrolet.
Oh, this is not good.
This is not good. Betsy has, what do you say, how, on a percentage scale, 0 to 100%, what percentage would you say Betsy's tires are at?
50%.
We are the rednecks of Lynn.
This is why you never hit the brake.
Yep, you low down.
No, it matter half.
That's what Edward taught me. Oh, don't do it, buddy.
Yeah, he's doing it.
Oh, dumbass. And if we lost traction and couldn't stop, where was he? Foot ornament.
Foot ornament. This isn't so bad.
As snow's flying up past my window. Betsy's four-wheel drive does work.
I'm not playing with it. Four-wheel drive only works on tires.
This was not Q2.
Now, mama, I'll do whatever the fuck I want.
We're obviously not doing 55,
Yeah, or 60.
which Betsy thinks we are.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Oh, snowbank! Oh, fuck! We're still in one rusty piece.
Go! Will you go already?
Don't worry, Ma. We're still in one rusty piece.
Yeah, well.
I wouldn't hit the gas while we're going downhill.
I have no choice. It's not going to drive if I don't hit the gas.
Well, we're going downhill on slushy snow with ball tires, with the person who keeps hitting the brake.
Ball.
Close enough.
Hey, the front ones are better than the back ones.
The rear ones are the driving tires, because it's in rear-wheel drive.
It's not real-wheel drive.
The two-wheel drive on this truck is for the back tires. If you put it in four-wheel drive, the front tires will spin. Fishtail.
No fishtail.
Yeah. Kenny probably not. Edward would be fishtailing around these corners right now. Get out of the way, Toyota. Betsy might not stop.
Stop. Unlike these idiots, I know how to drive in the snow. Why do you think we haven't crashed in it yet?
Besides the snowbank,
Well, we only got there for a couple of seconds.
we went sideways down the hill. At the bottom of the hill, we went sideways. You could fishtail this corner.
No, because there's a car there.
Oh shit! Into the snowbank.
Yeah, you gotta get out.
Betsy doesn't want to back up.